Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to clear cache on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search cache. Now from here, just tap on clear cache. Now from here, tap on clear cache and select clear. Now from here, go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on device care. Now from here, scroll down and tap on auto optimization. Now from here, scroll down and tap on auto restart. Now from here, enable restart on schedule. Now from here, you can select the day. You can select the days of the week and the time so that your Samsung Galaxy A6 so that your smartphone will clear cache automatically. And this is how you can clear cache on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.